Hey everyone, at IFA 2025 in Berlin, LG Electronics is presenting a new range of vacuum cleaners designed specifically with European households in mind, combining artificial intelligence, convenience-focused features, and improved cleaning performance. The collection includes a stick vacuum, a wet-dry stick vacuum, a robot vacuum with a steam mop, and a built-in robot vacuum station. The highlight of the lineup is the upgraded robot vacuum, which boasts more than double the suction power of its predecessor. It integrates a steam mop, giving it the ability to handle not only dust and debris, but also spills of liquid and grease. The docking station has been redesigned with a furniture-like aesthetic that blends into home interiors, rather than standing out as an appliance. It also enhances hygiene by sterilizing the mop with hot water and steam after every use. To improve navigation and cleaning accuracy, the robot uses an AI-powered chip capable of recognizing dust, debris, furniture, and obstacles in real time. A smart carpet identification feature ensures the mop is detached before the robot transitions to carpet cleaning, protecting delicate surfaces. Privacy and data protection are also addressed through LG Shield Security, which safeguards user information. Complementing this is the integrated robot vacuum station, a unique addition built to fit discreetly under the kitchen sink, a clever design tailored to smaller European living spaces. This station manages automatic dust disposal with an air circulation system that reduces noise and features an auto-opening door for convenience. It also offers a fully hands-free cleaning experience by supplying water, draining wastewater, and washing the mop automatically. A turbidity sensor monitors the mop's cleanliness and activates washing when needed, ensuring consistent hygiene without user intervention. The new stick vacuum focuses on maintaining strong suction power through LG's microcyclone technology, paired with a filter cleaning system designed to prevent clogging from fine dust and pet hair. It comes with a freestanding charging station and an automatic dust disposal mechanism that reduces direct contact with allergens, making it a practical solution for allergy-sensitive households. For households needing more versatility, LG's wet-dry stick vacuum provides lightweight handling and ergonomic operation that reduces wrist strain. It is capable of tackling both solids and liquids, adapting automatically to cleaning conditions with AI roller control that adjusts its behavior for smoother use. LED lights on the cleaning head improve visibility in low-light spaces, while the mop system is kept sanitary through hot water cleaning, steam sterilization, and hot air drying after use, ensuring the mop head is always fresh for the next cleaning session. Taken together, LG's new lineup of vacuums reflects a push towards smart, health-conscious, and lifestyle-friendly appliances. With innovations such as AI-driven cleaning, steam-based sterilization, noise reduction, and compact space-saving solutions, these devices are tailored to meet the demands of modern European homes. The collection will be on display at IFA 2025 in Hall 18, Messe Berlin from September 5th to 9th. Thanks for watching. What do you think about this video? Write your opinion in the comments. Have a nice day and God bless you.